Class 4 Science Lesson Teeth and Microbes. Children, today we are going to talk about different kinds of teeth and their functions. So basically, as I said, the permanent denture, that is permanent teeth in your mouth, there are 32. So let's classify them further as incisors. Incisors are the four front teeth, and basically they are used for cutting the food. For example, if you are biting an apple, so you are using your front teeth and they are incisors. Similarly, if you are tearing the food, you need canines. These are four canines in the oral cavity, two in the maxillary arc and two in the mandibular area, that is two in the upper jaw and two in the lower jaw, and their main function is to tear the food. These canines are just adjacent to the incisors and before the premolars. Similarly, premolars. Now these premolar teeth, their basic function is to crush the food. The food that you eat, it needs to be crushed, and this crushing portion is done by premolars. There are 8 premolars in the oral cavity, and these 8 premolars are 4 in the lower jaw and 4 in the upper jaw, and that makes them 2 on right hand side and 2 on left hand side of both the jaws. Similarly, we have molars. The molars are 12 in numbers and they are fully developed by the time you start attaining maturity, and they are also referred as first molar, second molar and third molars. The third molars, which come in the end, they are also referred to as wisdom tooth. These wisdom teeth, they appear when you attain the age of 18 or more, and that is why they are called wisdom teeth, and their basic function is to grind the food. Now the herbivorous animals, in herbivorous animals the molars are fully developed, more prominently developed than canines. But in carnivorous animals, that is flesh eating animals, the animals that need to tear the flesh, in those animals the canines are more prominently developed because they help in tearing the flesh. So we had talked about 4 different kinds of teeth in human jaw: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Now based on these, you can check out this worksheet like incisors. Now incisors are cutting teeth. Canines are tearing teeth. Premolars are cracking teeth, or we can say crushing teeth. Molars are grinding teeth. We also talked about the hardest substance in the mouth, which is enamel, and then we also said about microbes, different kind of microbes that cause cavities like bacteria, virus. Now what you can do is, referring to all this, you can draw different layers of a tooth and label all the parts, and you can also write differences between temporary and permanent teeth. And further, you can refer to the earlier videos which will help you in doing question number 4 and 5.